Hello, welcome back to our channel, and I'm hoping you watched the unboxing video about this Instant Pot air fryer dual basket with ClearCook. So we're gonna put this to test. What we're gonna cook is some frozen French fry. This is the rosemary, one of our favorite. This actually tastes good. In the air fryer, it says we could cook this, air fry this 360 for 12 minutes. So we're going to set the first basket to that. And then the second is going to be a chicken tender, which we prepare. And we're going to cook that 400 for 20 minutes. So the basket's going to be preheating. And while that's preheating, you could probably set up all the food that you want to cook. So once the preheat hits the temperature, it will tell you to add the food. So we add the chicken tender. Unfortunately, this is too small, so I was only able to add 4 of the chicken tender, which equals to 1 chicken breast. So it's not too big. It's not ideal for a big family for sure. And then we are going to do the same with the fry. I just spray a little oil into that basket, and non-stick one, and we're going to put this in there and it's going to start cooking. So good thing about this one is you could see what's going on inside, which is a good feature. The handle kind of block it, but it's okay. You could still see what's going on, so that's a good feature, right? I think it's good that you could see what's going on inside the air fryer. You don't have to interrupt the cooking. So on the fry, it asks halfway through to turn the food, means you could shake or flip the food on the other side. The same as the chicken, halfway through the basket too. So we're gonna flip this on the other side and put this back in the air fryer. So once you put that back in the air fryer, it's continue to cook. So the fries is already done since it has less cooking than the basket 2 with the chicken. I don't like the way it's look. I'm gonna cook it more for 400 degrees this time for 5 minutes. But since the basket 2 with the chicken has less than 8 minutes of cooking, I'm gonna try the sink finish mode. And I'm gonna set the first basket. Again, we're trying the sink finish mode in this video right here. I'm gonna set the fries to 405 minutes. And the chicken, I'm gonna set it 400 degrees, and it's only need 8 minutes more of cooking. So I'm gonna put that to 8 minutes. And then I'm gonna push the sink finish and start. And both of these should be done at the same time. As you can see, the first basket with the fry, it's on hold because the chicken is still on the 8 minutes range. Once they hit the 5 minutes, then the basket 1 with the fries is gonna start cooking. It will say add food, but obviously we had the fries in there already, and they air fry at the same time. So after less than about a minute, couple of seconds, the light turns on by itself, which is great feature. So smart. So the size does matter when it comes to air fryer. If you have a bigger family, this will not work unless you want to use the 2 basket, which beats the purpose of having dual basket, because it's supposed to allow you to cook 2 different meals at the same time, right? So if you have a bigger family, I would not recommend buying this, but a small one, this would be perfect. So far, it cooked the food perfectly. The temperature preheating takes a long time. That's one of the downfall, I think, but other than that, it works great. I hope you like this video, and if there's a question you may have, or if you have this one and you could suggest other features that I should try, please comment down below. I appreciate you all for coming back to this channel, and for our new viewers, thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Ciao.